Once upon a time in a lush green forest, a confident hare and a humble tortoise decided to have a race. The hare, known for his incredible speed, mocked the tortoise. "Why bother racing when you know you'll lose?" The tortoise, calm and composed, replied, "We'll see about that." The race began, and the hare, as expected, dashed ahead, leaving the tortoise far behind. Feeling invincible, the hare decided to take a nap under a shady tree, confident he had plenty of time to win. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving, one slow and steady step at a time. He didn't stop, didn't waver, and didn't get distracted. As the hare slept, the tortoise plodded past him, inching closer to the finish line. When the hare finally woke up, he was shocked to see the tortoise near the end. He sprinted with all his might, but it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line and won the race. The moral of the story? Consistency and perseverance often outmatch speed and overconfidence. In the journey of building wealth, it's not about how fast you start, but how steadily you continue. He was prepared, knowing that the journey was long. And that's exactly what you need to be when it comes to your money. Saving isn't about stashing away thousands of shillings every month. It's about consistency with your coins and little shillings. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wait till you're gasping for air to take a breath, would you? You breathe consistently to stay alive, and you need to save consistently to keep your financial heart beating strong. Start by setting aside a fixed percentage of your income, whatever you can manage, and do it every single time that paycheck hits your account. Don't even think about it, just make it automatic, like brushing your teeth. This is about building a habit, folks. Whether it's a tiny emergency fund, a retirement account that's just getting off the ground, or a general savings plan, every little bit counts. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about making that commitment to yourself, to your future, and sticking with it. Don't get discouraged if it feels like a drop in the bucket at first. Those drops turn into a flood over time. Consistency is the key. Speaking of adapting, let's talk about goals. Life is a journey, not a destination, and your financial goals should reflect that. Just like the tortoise, you gotta keep your eye on the prize, but don't be afraid to adjust your route if necessary. Set aside some time every few months to review your financial goals. Are they still aligned with your values and aspirations? Have your circumstances changed? Life throws curveballs, and you need to be prepared to adjust your game plan accordingly. Remember, this is your financial journey, and you get to decide what success looks like for you. Don't compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. Focus on your own race, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, just like the tortoise, slow and steady wins the race. Consistency is key to building lasting wealth. You don't have to be a financial genius or inherit a fortune to achieve your goals. It's all about making smart choices day after day, week after week, and year after year. Don't get discouraged if you stumble along the way. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them, get back on track, and keep moving forward. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on financial success. And remember, you deserve to have the best financial outcomes of your life.